Hello there, it's me, Faye, and it is time to say goodbye because for today, so I'm gonna sing you a goodbye song. Here I go. I will see you tomorrow for the next fun dude. And do you like it to watch the next Q&A video? And I will see you tomorrow, right here on next Q&A video. Good night. I need to take a short break. Hello there, it's me, Faith, and now it's time for me to say goodbye for today. So I gotta say goodbye like Booth the Monkey Door. Are you ready? Get set, go! So remember, goodbye, so long, I'll see you later, and I will see you tomorrow, right here on Nick Tuesday video. Hello there, it's me, Faith, and I'm about it at ACE, and you're watching Nick Tuesday video. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys, people. I promise that you won't be get you again, please. Hi there, it's me, Faith. And right now, I'm gonna think this medicine one more time. Do you want it a blind, please? But I don't know it. But I don't think so now. Oh well, I'm talking to you later. And I will see you tomorrow, right here on next Q&A video. Ba ba ba! Daughter, I'm sorry about the people, guys. Give you to me.
It's me, Faith. I'm here because today is March on your birthday. Oh well.
Anyway.
Happy birthday, Percy.